welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Solis, and today we're diving into muscle recovery, why it's essential, best practices, and what you can eat to bounce back stronger. So whether you're hitting the gym, you're going for a run, or you're just trying to stay active, recovery is a key part of any fitness journey. So let's get into it. Muscle recovery is important because when we exercise, especially when we're strength training, we create tiny tears in our muscles. So recovery allows those fibers to heal, grow, and become stronger, which improves your performance, reduces injury risk, and it lessens soreness over time. Ignoring recovery can actually set you back in your fitness goals. Here are a few effective recovery practices you can add to your routine. First up is getting enough sleep, because sleep is where the magic happens. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones, and that helps to repair your muscle tissue. So try to aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Next, active recovery. Light activity like walking, stretching, or yoga on your rest day improves blood flow, helping deliver nutrients to your muscles. Next, hydration. Muscles need hydration to repair properly, so water helps to flush out toxins and it reduces cramping. So drink plenty of water throughout the day. Next up, stretching and foam rolling. Stretching and foam rolling can really relieve tightness, improve flexibility, and promote circulation. So try focusing on areas you worked on and gently stretch them for 5 to 10 minutes post-workout. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is a huge part of muscle recovery. Here are some key foods and supplements that you should consider. Protein-rich foods. Protein is the building block of muscles, and after a workout, aim to try to get 20 to 30 grams of protein to aid in muscle repair. You can eat foods like lean meat, eggs, Greek yogurt, and plant-based sources like tofu and lentils, which are all great options. Healthy carbohydrates. Carbs are needed to replenish glycogen stores. Whole grains, sweet potatoes, and fruits can help restore energy levels and prevent muscle fatigue. Antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants help reduce inflammation. Foods like berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts are loaded with them and can reduce soreness. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is found in fish, like salmon, also chia seeds and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties, supporting quicker recovery. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium plays a role in muscle function and relaxation. Foods like spinach, almonds, and bananas help prevent cramps and support muscle relaxation. Supplements can help bridge the gap if you're not able to get everything from food. Here are some popular options for muscle recovery. You could use whey protein or plant-based protein. A protein powder can be a convenient post-workout for muscle repair. Look for about 20 grams of protein per serving. Branched-chain amino acids. Now, branched-chain amino acids are essential amino acids that help reduce muscle soreness. You can take them before or after a workout. Creatine, one of my favorite. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements and is known to support muscle recovery and endurance. About 5 grams per day can be effective. Here's one you probably didn't know, but curcumin or turmeric. These have anti-inflammatory effects which can reduce soreness, and if you pair it with black pepper, it will boost the absorption. Well, that's it. Remember that recovery is just as important as the workout itself. And by focusing on rest, nutrition, and targeted supplements, you'll be on your way to a stronger, healthier body. Let me know in the comments how you prioritize recovery and any tips you might have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness content. See you next time.